Hey everybody, it's a nice sunny day today, relatively warm, so I thought it would be a good idea to get all these panels out and carpets out in the sun and get them dry. And once they're dry, I can give them a bit of a hoover, try and get them cleaned up a bit, because as you can see, they're a little bit of a state. So yeah, leave them out here to dry for a couple of hours, see how they are, and then I'll get the old vacuum on them, see if we can clean them up a bit. Carpets to my parents because they've got a pressure washer. I'm going to give it a blast, get all this crap off it. This is the boot carpet, so let's see what it looks like after I've given it a blast. There we go, giving it a good cleaning. Looks a lot better. They're not dry, that'll look bang tidy. So the boot carpet was all nice and clean. I just came to look at hoovering the rear carpet, and again it's got a fair few stains on it. As you can see, quite a lot of grime and dirt. So I borrowed my parents' pressure washer. I'm going to give this a blast. There we go, leave that to dry in the sun for a bit. Well, for quite a while, yeah. And then we'll give it a vacuum and get it in. So here it is, it's dry, it's looking a lot better. Let's give it a quick vacuum. Hopefully it'll look even better. And then we'll get it in. There we go, it's looking better. Just noticed though, that it's ripped down here. I don't know if I've done that or if it was already done. No big deal though. Let's go and get it in. So there we go, that's all the carpets vacuumed. The front one's going to do a wash, but I can't really take them out. Never mind. I think it all looks okay. Mould free, relatively clean. Well, thanks for sticking with me. If you have for this long video, I know it's pretty boring watching somebody clean car carpets. But hey, you know, if you've stuck with it, thank you very much. Maybe drop a like, click subscribe, and there's plenty more to do with this and a bit more to do with the GTI, because that's going through some body work soon. Just noticed this in the front windscreen. Pouch here with some fucking water in it. Anyway, yeah, thanks a lot. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.